Oh man. Hey guys, Kim Brzelik here. And I'm not able to process videos with the Windows video processing program. I'm assuming it's because I took it out of S mode in order to install Fusion 360. So if anybody knows of a cheap and easy to figure out editing program, I would appreciate it. So let me show you what I've been working on. I have footage of this, so we have this blank here. We have external threads here. We're boring this out. There will be internal threads here. This will screw into this. And there'll be a cap or a plug that screws into this. So basically you'll unscrew this from that, and then there'll be a lid here. You can unscrew that to get into this compartment. And what was I gonna do with that? I put a slot. Yeah, thinking of making a safe out of it. So I put a slot on the outside, big enough for $100 bills. And when my wife watches me put them in there, she'll unscrew that and there won't be any money in there. I'm even thinking about putting a pin in here, a steel pin, in that lid, and pull it back with a magnet in order to spin that lid off to access the savings. So, I don't know, just something, you know, I came up with. And, you know, that's what I'm doing. I got a big piece of aluminum. What am I going to do with it? My wife wanted a saucepan, and I thought it would be kind of a challenge to do this thing. I wasn't going to do this until I had it all figured out on Fusion 360. But I toyed around with that, just hitting buttons, and yeah, not so much. So I'm going to watch some YouTube videos on how to operate Fusion 360. I'll watch the videos on my phone and be practicing what they're showing live on my computer as they're doing it. I did start off parting this with the parting blade, and then I ended up going to my Harbor Freight bandsaw, which was kind of a nightmare, but it got the job done. Okay, like and subscribe, and if you have any leads on easy to operate editing software, I would appreciate it. So tell a buddy, bring a friend. Thank you all new subscribers, and you know the story. It's helped this channel grow. Doug from Metalworks Machine Shop had his drawing tonight, and I wrote his name down the winner, but I seem to have lost it. Okay, we'll check out his channel, Metalworks Machine Shop. And that's Doug. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. We'll close here on this awesome machine. It has a power cross slide, which it formerly did not have. It doesn't jump out of gear anymore. And the carriage lock now works. you gotta crank it quite a bit. But Faber-Coblin, DJ, gave me the hot tip, and I build up the area that contacts the bottom of the bedway, and he suggested I solder it, and I hadn't done that yet, but I will. The proof of concept is there, and his idea definitely worked. So, thank you, DJ.